Silver just made one of the biggest moves that is ever made in a single day, up 14.5%, and gold followed suit to the tune of almost 7% in a day. These are absolutely unprecedented numbers on two of the safest and most reliable assets ever known to mankind. Now, I have the levels that are the gateways to all-time highs and then new highs on both gold and silver, and I'm going to lay them out in this video, and they're actually closer than you think now that we have upheld the levels that we were talking about yesterday that will bring us up to the all-time highs on gold and silver, plus probably more like the 6,000 plus range on gold, and then obviously the $135 to $160 range on silver. I'm going to lay out those targets and those levels here in just a second inside of this video. And, here to answer the question of whether or not the bleeding might be over. So I'll let you make that determination inside of the video with the technicals yourself. If you're not familiar with who I am, my name is Drew Wolfer, and I am a pro trader, and I am the founder of NORDIC Alpha. So without further ado, let's go and find out exactly what those levels are. And we're going to come right over here to the gold chart and say, all right, we've got our all-time highs way up here, right? Just above $5,600, right? About 5,620 something. If you were here yesterday, you knew that this was the absolute and proverbial line in the sand, and inside of NORDIC Alpha, we actually gave this level out days and days in advance. I believe we gave this out about a week in advance, and then even on silver, we gave these levels out weeks in advance. That's pretty crazy, and I can show you those here in just a second, but this is one of our gateway levels to all-time highs. We need to close a candle above this exact level right here, $4,971.90. If we close a 1 hour candle above that, we are now looking to come up here to this resistance right here, potentially get a nice pullback, maybe to these range highs right here, to the $4,750 level, and then start legging our way up, and that is going to be your gateway to all-time highs. Now, your second level is absolutely going to be right here, $5,100, even up to about $5,200, and there's a reason for that, and I want to show you this with a tool that you can use anytime that you want. Now, if you want to understand what these levels are and why they matter, I'm not going to explain them to you in this video. I will be more than happy to, teach you about them and explain them to you inside of my analysis in NORDIC Alpha, so feel free to get in there whenever you want. It's the first link in the description. Now, this is the level that I'm talking about, and it actually coincides with kind of our little phantom levels that you see right behind it, and that is the 0.618 Fibonacci of this big move down. Okay, this was just a full-on move down. There was no pullback, just a massive, massive move down. So what I have done is I have taken from the high to the low. We're already at the 0.5 fib, and if we can keep this level and close that 1 hour candle above it, as long as we get up above this level right here, this is almost your gateways to all-time highs. Now, if you want to be super, ultra, mega safe about this, okay, if you want to be mega safe about this, you got to get above 5250, okay, and the reason for that is because that is where the 0.786 is, all right? Look at how much this coincides, this 0.786, with if we move our Fibonacci to the actual all-time high, that it is right at the same range. That old 0.786 is right where the new 618 would be of the entire move down. This is essentially your line in the sand right here, $5,100. Now, if we do get above that, where could we be potentially going? Well, that's where I'm going to pull out my handy dandy range tool and show you from this last leg of structure up, as you can see from the lows to the highs, if we zoom out, our first target is $5,950 to $6,100, and our second target is literally $6,500 up to $6,700. Again, this is my proprietary range deviation tool, deviation zone 1, deviation zone 2. If you want to learn about that, get inside of NORDIC Alpha. I'll be more than happy to teach you. Now, just really quickly, if you want to understand where we gave these levels out, right, this is where we were giving out that level, talking about these range lows and these range highs, and if we came back, we would be, wanting to enter longs on that. And second to that, we were also looking at this silver level, right, which was right around here. We gave these levels out on the 12th. They hit, and they hit really well, and as you can see, it basically caught the bottom on silver, boom, and then blasted up. Same thing on gold, caught the nice bottom on gold, absolutely blasted up, and now it's breaking market structure to the upside. So obviously, if you want these levels, just get inside of Nordic Alpha. I'm giving out these trade setups inside of their own channels. You will be in the know. I do daily analysis. If you want my 91% win rate to work for you, it's $29 a month. It's less than $1 a day. Get in where you fit in because prices will go up in 2026. And as it sits right now, we do offer discounts of 3, 6, and 12-month memberships. So let's talk about the line in the sand and the gateway to new all-time highs on silver. And for this, we're gonna do the exact same thing. We're gonna measure all the way down to the lows, right? So let's say that is, what it is, okay? Your first level is going to be right here at the 0.618. It's $100. Your first real level of resistance is going to be right here at the $95 range. Why? Because you have these kind of like phantom levels that I'm talking about. Get inside of Nordic Alpha. I'll be more than happy to show you what they are. And then you have your 0.5 Fibonacci, right? Which is right there at $95. Now, second to that, if you do get above that, you're going to see resistance here at about $100. And then you have your 1 hour market structure shift, which puts you back into an uptrend on the 1 hour chart right at $104. So once we get above $104, that is really your gateway to your all-time highs. And then subsequently after that, new highs. But really all we have to do right now is get above $100. And technically speaking, if we could just get above 95, that would be incredibly bullish because then we can just leg our way up to $100. Silver has a little bit more work to do than gold does in terms of getting up to its all-time highs. But as long as we can just keep legging up like we are right here, we take out 95, we take out 100, we take out 105, then we're looking at maybe a little bit of resistance at 112, and then it's all-time highs, baby. And then even further than that, we pull out our handy-dandy range tool, right? And if we zoom out, guess what our first proprietary deviation zones target is? $134 to $138.50. And the second one after that, this is where it gets really wild, $151 to $159. So you're talking price targets from about $135 all the way up to $160 if we are to break those levels that I was just talking about and start legging our way up. Silver and gold are looking incredibly bullish right now, in my opinion. If we can close the 1 hour candle above that level on gold, it's going to be looking incredibly bullish in my opinion. And if silver can start legging its way up to 95, then 100, and then breaking that 1 hour high at 104, we are looking incredibly good to start getting that run up. Now, in my opinion, is that run going to be a parabolic run up to the all-time highs? No, we are going to leg up and leg down and kind of ladder our way up. But once we get past the all-time highs, that's where you could see another parabolic run happening. Now, if you like content like this, I appreciate you. Hopefully this got you prepared for exactly where we could be going. Now, the only thing that I ask of you, make sure you smash the like button, make sure you hit subscribe, and then boom, baby, bang on that notification bell so you don't miss this ever again. Get inside of Nordic Alpha, get in where you fit in. Everybody have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video.